My name is Charles Ngare. I would describe this project in 3 words: innovative, impactful, and beautiful.
I'm Jim Tozer. I'm the Managing Director at Kenchic. Kenchic is an integrated poultry business. I think it's really important that we understand the impact we're having in the world and on the environment. And in this part of the world, it makes very common sense to utilise the solar radiation to power whatever you possibly can within your business. We've been using solar in other parts of the business, but fundamentally for hot water production. And it's generally proved a very quick return on investment vis-a-vis using electricity. There were pain points. We had inconsistent supply of electricity from the main supplier, which was causing us a lot of headaches and costs and downtime.
Chloride Exide is an energy solutions provider specializing in automotive batteries, solar energy, energy storage, and water heating solutions. To solve Kenchic's problem, Chloride Exide designed and installed a 1.3 megawatt grid-tie solar solution that is able to generate 1,500 megawatt hours of power annually. This is an advanced automated self-cleaning system for the solar panels, ensuring consistent high efficiency and performance, as well as prolonged lifespan of these panels.
I think it makes us all feel really good that we're doing something positive about the planet and the environment, that we're able to harness effectively free energy and use it. So that's a really good point as far as I'm concerned, and it fits very well into our sustainability strategy going forward. Secondly, there's a direct hit to the bottom line. I mean, at the moment we've seen just over 30% savings in our electricity costs at our 2 main manufacturing sites, which are the biggest consumer of electricity. So there is a direct impact there.
Kenchic is expected to make financial savings of 32 million shillings annually, as well as a CO2 reduction of 20,000 tons over a period of 20 years. I think the math now makes sense. We are talking about payback periods of about 2 years. For anyone who wants to improve on their financial performance and their bottom lines, they should be able to identify that they can be able to pay back this system in 2 years and be able to increase their profitability and their performance.
The customer experience was fantastic, yeah? Right from the outset, so sitting down and understanding the intricacies of the project, there was a lot of time taken to really explain the ins and outs, because none of us are really solar specialists. So really getting an in-depth understanding of what it entailed and the equipment which was needed. And I think they raised quite a lot of good points earlier on about areas which may need to be overcome, but we wouldn't know about them until we got to those points. And there was regular meetings all the way through to ensure that we knew exactly where we were. So I think, you know, it was a great experience. We see the saving, and I think, you know, everybody will identify that solar is the way to go, certainly in this part of the world.